You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My. Can't touch this. The off season gets so long, makes me bored all day long. But thankfully, I've got a music team to help me ride and keep the beat. I'm still a kid, even though I'm grown. A Superman homeboy in Orlando. And I'm known as such, and this is my team. You can't touch this. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living. You can't touch this. Look into my eyes, man. You can't touch this. Yo, let me bust some Sir Charles lyrics. You can't touch this.
Barkley, say this thing. Rock the red ball, but I know he can sing. Donuts, I like to eat when my boy D. White is kicking his feet. And he can still ball. K-Bone, Lawson Johnson, Superman Sandman. He's not terrible, not terrible. Now he's got a grit to fall back on. Cause the kids I clutch, and that's what you can't touch. I told you, can't touch this. Why you standing there, man? Can't touch this. Yo, sound the bell, school's in, sucker. Can't touch this. Guess who it is? The governor. I'm a fan of Dwight, but he's scared, so he calls me sir. But he's groovy, and I wanna ask him to be in a movie or make a dream team. And like back in the day, I'll even yell, get down.
You can't touch this.
I'll be back.
You can't touch this.
Break it down.
Stop! Got it time!
Then there's Coach, who has said, when he's done coaching,
I'll only be dead!
he'll wave his hands in the air, yell a few things, put his fingers to his
This is
head.
not how you become a winner. Play defense just once and I'm buying dinner.
Move and slide your
Just
rope.
one time. Do I try and jump? Jump.
Look, Coach, you can't touch this. You better get hyped, cause you know after I sing, we get in that ring. Sound the bell, school's back in. Bring it down. Stop. Have a time. From now on, when you see me, you say there goes the white. He's dope with the kids and the magic are so hype. Now why would I ever stop doing this? With the kids on my record, it's a surefire hit. I blocked all kind of shots from D-Way to Rudy Gay. It's Howard Go Howard, MC Howard, yo Howard, and the rest of the time I just play. Can't touch this. Yeah, you can't touch this. You can't touch this. Can't touch this.